Hey girls, this is Miss Gasparini with another video for my lovely first grade mathematicians. Back when I started making these videos in March, I spent a little time talking about two-digit addition with and without regrouping. This week, we're going to talk about addition with and without regrouping again. We're going to use a little bit of what we learned in the meantime with those other videos I put up to help us solve our questions. So let's start by talking about a problem that's addition without regrouping. I've set it up so we're doing 21 plus 16. And just like last time, I've set up a vertical addition problem for 21 plus 16. What setting up a vertical addition problem helps me do is it helps me to not confuse my tens and my ones. My tens have their own column and my ones have their own column. So I set up my vertical addition problem so I don't confuse my tens and my ones. And we've talked a lot about how we don't want to confuse our tens and our ones. I've done the same thing here. This is my place value picture for 21 plus 16. So I have my place value picture for 21, 2 tens and 1 1. And my place value picture for 16, 1 10 and 6 ones. And just like with my vertical addition problem, I've broken up my tens and ones so I don't confuse them. We are always going to start by adding our ones together. If we have ones to add together, we always start with those. Our ones are 1 and 6. We are adding 1 plus 6 on the one side. I have 1 1 in 21 and 6 ones in 16. And we're going to add them together now to see how many ones we have total. Ready to count them up with me? All right, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 ones. 1 1 and 6 ones makes 7 ones, which means 1 plus 6 equals 7. Now that I've added my ones, I'm ready to add my tens together. So I've added my ones together to see that I have 7 ones total. Now I'm going to add my tens. I have 2 tens plus 1 10. I have 1, 2, 3 tens. So 2 plus 1, 2 tens and 1 10 make 3 tens. So I have 3 tens and 7 ones. I have 3 tens and 7 ones. What's my total for 21 plus 16 if I have 3 tens and 7 ones? Yeah, I have 37. 21 plus 16 equals 37. You guys did great with that, and you helped me make sure I didn't confuse my tens and my ones while we were adding. So we're going to do something a little bit different today. I'm going to give you another addition problem without regrouping. So our addition problem without regrouping is going to be 20 plus 13, but here's our challenge. You need to solve this equation on your own. And we're going to come back tomorrow to talk about it together. I'm showing you how to set it up vertically and how to set up a place value chart. And your job is to make sure you set up 20 plus 13 as a vertical problem and set up 20 plus 13 in your place value chart and then add them together to find out what is 20 plus 13. We'll talk about this tomorrow and see if we can get it right. But I know you guys can figure out 20 plus 13 all on your own. You're going to do a great job. Keep working hard on Zearn, and I hope you have a lovely day.